What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am talking to the nicest woman here in Dollar Tree. She is an employee here and she's showing me all the brand new things for the week. You guys, I have a loaded cart. These are brand new and they're not Greenbrier brand. We have the Nobleman Charcoal Cleansing Nose Strips, you guys. 8 to a box, you guys. You know, even like the generic, the Target brand, or the Equate brand, you know these go for a lot more. 8 to a box, you guys. That's such a great deal. Also brand new this week, we have the Cocoa Glow by Vaseline. This is Vaseline Intensive Care. We also have Yardley soaps with $1 coupons inside. So, what do you guys think? Get your box, get your coupon, get a whole bunch of free soap. Maybe, right? And then over here we have, look, you guys, these are brand new. Brand new. The Yardley Wild Rose. It smells so pretty. We also have the Yardley Essential Oil Super Blend. That one smells a little bit lighter, really nice though. And then we have Strawberry Coconut. That smells nice, you guys. Really, really nice. We also have the Activated Charcoal. We have English Lavender. Wow. I have more new stuff in my cart though. Okay. We also have this week, and yes, to those of you that have been following along as I've been in the store, I got to run the points on this for Weight Watchers. I'm probably not going to get any, but the manager just put it here on my cart so I could decide if I wanted any or not. But I don't think I'm going to get any. Anyways, you guys, also, we have a 60 count, yes, you guys, box of Curad Band-Aids. These are the plastic Band-Aids. 4-sided seal Curad. I love Curad Band-Aids. Here are the dimensions. Ooh, and we have Hershey's chocolate milk, a 12-pack with 11 grams of protein. You know what? I think it might probably have a lot of sugar in it. Yeah, I'm gonna do Weight Watchers, so anything. Okay. But these, wow, chocolate. Do they have the strawberry too?
No, I checked. They only this one they have too much.
Oh, but thank you so much for bringing them.
One in case you come next week.
Thank you. My kids would probably like those. Thank you so much, honey. Appreciate it. You guys, she is so sweet. She's just been showing me all the new things. We have so many new things this week. I've been having the best time ever here in Dollar Tree, and so much of a good time that I'm not even going to make it to Aldi tonight. Oh well, you guys. These shaving soaps, it's a shaving soap and a sponge, 12 plus uses. This is in lavender. I've only seen lavender. You guys are just telling me that you really like those a lot. I think these, the double extra dry and regular, I don't know. I feel like I've seen a variety close to this in some of my other stores. I am really curious about the $1 coupon inside. I'm wondering if the coupon is good. Is it expired or is it up to date? Because if it's up to date, then you could just grab your soap, grab your coupon, and get free soap, right? Okay. What else do we have, you guys? What else? I'm just finding so many good things. I shared this in one of my other videos. This is the Purifying Micellar Water with tea tree and aloe vera, 16.9 ounces. We also have the Nivea moisturizing creams. This is just kind of alone here by itself. You always have to take your time on this aisle and the makeup aisle because you just never know what you're gonna find, and you just have to just kind of slow down on this aisle because there's so much to look at. Let's see if we have any new hand soaps. Do we have anything new? We just have so many good options. So many good options. The aloe vera is back now that it's getting warm out. And we also have some newly packaged, look you guys, newly packaged Irish Spring Classic in aloe. They just totally changed the packaging. We also have charcoal. We have the extra fresh Dove Men Plus Care. We also have the Old Spice bar soap. You guys know those are Dollar Tree exclusives. I'm gonna take you guys over to the makeup aisle. Excuse me. And let's see if we can find anything new over here. These are so cute and little. Look, you guys. Aww. Little bath fizzers. These would be really cute for a foot soak. Here are the Band-Aids I was telling you guys about. Again, 62 a box. We also have the waterproof Band-Aids that are in. 25 to a box, perfect for summertime. Going to the pool, maybe just getting wet under the hose or whatever you're doing this summer. Ooh, brand new packaging. Look, you guys, charcoal infused floss picks, 75 in a package. We have a lot. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. We have even more. We have even more. The Treasure X toothbrushes are here, you guys. I'm just finding so much stuff. I'm definitely getting these for Gator. We have this variety. And then we also have this variety here. And then these are still here from last week. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have so many great things in here. I had no intention on getting this many things, but I'm just finding so many great things. Look, you guys, we also have the 2-minute flashing light timer toothbrushes, ages 3 and up, and it has a really cool like gummy gripper. I'm so impressed with Dollar Tree this week. Like, I'm just having the best time ever. I'm just having a really, really great day. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wait a minute, did I get this one in blue already? Yeah. So this one is blue. I guess these ones are all blue. Gator is gonna be so happy. He really, really loves Treasure X. Like, he loves it so much. Okay, let's see if we have any new makeup over here. I don't know if we have anything new for the week. I really don't think we have anything new. I always come on a Monday, and I think my store does most of its stocking like Monday night and Tuesdays, so sometimes I'm missing out. But yeah, you guys, there is so much to look at in here this week. So many name brands. I have one more name brand find to share with you guys over here in the pet section. If you have a dog, or know someone that has a dog, or if you just want to get treats for like your parents' dog or your best friend's dog, we have the brand new Evolve oven baked dog biscuits, and the flavor is peanut butter and berry flavored latte, and they're latte shaped. And look, you guys, 7 ounces. What? 7 ounces. Oh, I wish I had a dog right now. Anyways, you guys, we have so many great deals. Join me on my very next video. We're going to be looking at even more items, and we're going to continue to go through the store looking for name brand items, name brands, brand names, great deals. You know, I mean, if you can find it here and come here first, you're going to save yourself so much money. You guys already know that, though. That's why you're watching. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.